In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing with newsletters or promotions you no longer want, this quick walkthrough will help you clean things up using Gmail's built-in unsubscribe feature. We'll keep it simple and safe, and you'll know exactly what to expect as you go. First, open Gmail. You can do this on your computer in a browser or in the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. The process is very similar. Make sure you're signed into the account where you're receiving the unwanted messages, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once Gmail is open and fully loaded, you're ready for the next step. Now open an email you no longer want to receive. Choose a newsletter, promotion, or automated update from a sender you recognize. It's a good idea to open the message so you can confirm it's the exact sender you want to stop hearing from. Unsubscribing affects future bulk mail from that sender, not personal one-to-one emails, so picking the right message matters. When the email is open, look at the top of the message, right next to the sender's name or address. You should see a small option labeled Unsubscribe. This is Gmail's own control, and it's the safest and most reliable way to opt out because it uses standardized methods rather than sending you to unknown websites. Go ahead and click Unsubscribe there. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to finish loading. It often appears in the header area of the message. After you click Unsubscribe, Gmail will ask you to confirm. A small prompt or window will appear, and it will clearly say that you're choosing to unsubscribe from this sender. Click Unsubscribe again to finish. That confirmation is important. It tells Gmail you meant to take this action, and it triggers the request to the sender to remove you from their mailing list. That's it. You're done. You should stop receiving emails from that sender, though it can take a little time for the change to take effect. Many senders process unsubscribe requests within a day or two, but some can take a few days. During that period, you might still see a couple of messages arrive. That's normal while their system updates. If you want to reduce mail from other senders, just repeat the same steps for each one. Open Gmail, open the unwanted email, click Unsubscribe next to the sender's name, and confirm by clicking Unsubscribe again. With a few minutes of cleanup, your inbox will feel much lighter.